Yep. All right, let's get right to it. This is your boy Deovon. I'm one of Jordan Mackey's students, and as you can see on my screen, I have literally bought all of his courses. Got the YouTube affiliate marketing course, the Make Money on YouTube course, the YouTube Advanced Masterclass. I got the course selling masterclass and the Shopify drop shipping, which I haven't really got to yet. But man, his course has been amazing. It's been amazing. Um, One thing I can say about it, the first thing I would like to say that I like about it is I've been in internet marketing for years and I've bought a lot of courses. And his course really is very high quality for a nice, cheap price. He keeps his prices at a nice price where it's affordable for people that are, they're trying to learn how to make money online. And when you're trying to learn how to make money online, obviously you're doing it for a reason because you don't have a lot of money or you're trying to make more money or you're just trying to quit your job or stuff like that. And a lot of these courses, when you try to buy them from other internet marketers, they charge a very high price. So it's a very high ticket course, and it takes a lot of people. It pushes a lot of people from buying it. So the first thing that I like about his course is it's going to be at a nice price, and it is totally worth it. The make money on YouTube, these two right here are the ones that I'm going to talk about specifically. Make money on YouTube and advanced masterclass. The make money on YouTube is great for just getting the proper knowledge of how you make money being monetized with AdSense. It's going to teach you everything you need to know and, you know what I mean, how to create videos, how to download them. It's going to give you the basic strategy of how to get going. And it's what you need to just, know how to get going, how to find content and videos that are not copyrighted to upload and get monetized in YouTube. And it's going to also show you how to get monetized. This is another thing that I like about this course is it shows you how to get monetized very quickly and what strategies that you can use to get monetized. If you want to just, you know what I mean, probably, kind of skip the review, or if you do want to, you would do the review, but you don't got a lot of watch time, you don't got a lot of subscribers. It's going to show you everything you need to do in order to bypass all that. So that's another thing I like about this course. The advanced masterclass to me is the one that's very important because it's going to go more in depth. It's going to teach you how to edit videos properly. It's going to give you the right proper software that's free, that you can use to create these videos and stuff like that. And it's going to teach you all about, the rules and stuff of YouTube's restrictions and how to get around that stuff by doing simple edits and stuff that you really just wouldn't know about. You know what I mean? And unless you go out there and try to figure it out on your own, where you got somebody that's a good teacher that's teaching you how to do that stuff without having to go through all the hassle of learning it on your own. You just learn it right away. You learn what to do, what not to do, and how to get around the bots and of YouTube and stuff like that in order to get monetized and stay monetized and start making money with YouTube. It's a really great course, man. I really like it. I like the price, as I said before, and another thing that I like about it is you know what I mean. It just it really works. This stuff really works. Out of everything that you can buy online, you buy stuff and you like, man, I hope it works. I hope I make money. This really works. This is a real way. Even without Jordan Mackey, you can see all the YouTube people making money from YouTube and YouTube millionaires. This dude really works. It's real results. I know people in that then took this course that's making like $63,000 a month just by taking this course, and this course is like only a couple $100. You know what I mean? And they're making $63,000 a month. They've made 100 times over their money back for this course. This course is amazing, man. And it is the best making money online. I studied internet marketing for years, so there's two ways to make money online. The fastest way to make money online is paid advertising. Learning how to do paid advertising, which Jordan teaches that too with Facebook ads and Shopify. So it's paid advertising, and then the other way is free advertising. If you don't have capital, if you don't have a marketing budget, you don't really have marketing dollars to spend in advertising in order to make that fast income online. So you have to do free advertising. And free advertising is a little bit slower and it doesn't make as much money as paid advertising. But I gotta say, YouTube is the best free advertising way to make money online for a beginner to start really increasing his income and building it up to a point where you have capital to get into paid advertising to really explode. Free advertising with this method that he's got is amazing. This is great for a beginner, great for a person that doesn't have a lot of money to get into, and you can literally build your income up to a big 5 figure a month income. 20,000, 30. Like I said, I got a friend making $62,000 a month off of this strategy. So this is amazing, man. This is a really blessing, and I'm glad that I found it. You know what I mean? And it's a blessing, and I couldn't I couldn't say more positive things about it, man. It's amazing the things that he's got. Let me go over some of the stuff that it teaches you how. I'm gonna get to this. It teaches you how to download the videos, how to edit them, the stuff that you need to know with the restrictions. One of the best parts about this course is going to teach you how to get monetized. It's very important, and this is the AdSense way. He's going to teach you how to get monetized and how to do it very quickly. You know what I mean? And is going to give you some sites and stuff that you can use to get monetized. And if you want to skip the whole review, you can do that too by just getting some. It's another strategy but I don't want to give too much away, but getting a channel. Some other strategies they use. And teach you thumbnails. It teaches you about clickbait. It just teaches you everything you need to know in order to build a YouTube business without having to put your face in the videos or having your own, content. You can take other people's content, you can slice it up, you can edit it, you can put it together, and you can upload it. One of the best things about this, and I'm wait a minute, I'm gonna do one more too. YouTube affiliate marketing. I got this course too. I think this is very important for people that don't want to get monetized. Don't want to wait for monetization by YouTube, because that can be a little bit time consuming sometimes. Even though Jordan does have strategies where you can get monetized pretty quickly, it can be time consuming because at the end of the day, YouTube doesn't have to approve you for monetization. So in order to start making money right now, today, the YouTube affiliate marketing course that he has is really good because you can literally just take other people's videos that are not copyrighted, upload them, and then add an affiliate link to a product that's related to whatever videos or whatever niche YouTube channel that you have, and get sales. It's people just making. I just seen a guy post in the group. He made $500. $500 in one day, just posting up other people's videos and sending them to a link to an affiliate product. So that's another good thing about this course. So I really think all three of these courses go hand in hand. YouTube make money on YouTube, make money on YouTube Advanced Masterclass, and then the YouTube affiliate marketing. I think you need all three of them because one, you want to start making money right now. So you use YouTube affiliate marketing to sell products without having to be monetized by, YouTube with their partnership. Two, you want to learn how to get monetized by YouTube and create a partnership because you can make big money with this strategy doing that with AdSense and running ads once you know how to do it properly, and Jordan's gonna teach you how to do that properly. So you wanna have both of these in your arsenal so you can just start cranking it and killing it, and using both strategies, using affiliate marketing and using Google AdSense. And this stuff has been around for a long time. This is with blogging. Before YouTube and video marketing was big online, it was all about blogging. You was either selling stuff, doing affiliate marketing with blogs, or you was running AdSense on your blog. Well, now YouTube is like the best way because I don't really like writing. I like the videos I can do, but writing, doing a blog, that's not my thing. But YouTube, uploading content and taking other people's content, chopping it up and edit it, I could do that all day. So the YouTube is the best way, fastest way to get traffic, and is the best free advertising online to make money to this day. And I stand very strong on that. But the last thing that I want to say about this course, the biggest and best thing about this course is one, he keeps it updated. He stays updating this course. You know what I mean? That's one good thing. And then the biggest thing is the Facebook group. You want to be able to join his group. The Facebook group is amazing. These people are getting real results. They making real money. And I've been in many internet marketing's Facebook groups. I watched the course come out and the Facebook group be popping and then it die out. This Facebook group has been around for some years now. It's been years. And it's still standing strong. And it's people getting real results. They giving people tips. They helping people. They giving out real strategies. They're showing. I mean, you got some big cats making big money, posting regularly in this group. You know, giving tips, giving strategies, helping each other out. This is a team, dude. Like this is a real team. His group has a real team. It's like 4,000 people in that group, and a lot of them are making big money and doing big things. And you know, the group is the most powerful. The group alone is worth the money. You know, the group is the most powerful thing about this course is that group. And I've seen it, and I watched that group grow. I've been in a group, and I watched it grow and get better and better and better, and it continues to get better, and more results are popping up, and more things are happening. So to me, the group is the best thing about this course because one thing, you know, to get a course and go over it and try to do it yourself, and then you know you kind of get left out in the dark and you kind of trying to still figure stuff out, and nobody's really giving you any tips or helping you out. That group does that. It keeps you focused. It keeps giving you tips. You know, you see other people, you know what I mean, that's getting big results that can help you and it's willing to help you for free, you know what I mean, and telling you their testimonies and stuff. That group keeps you updated when YouTube changes the rules and regulations and everything. That group, the Biden, the Biden, Jordan's Mackey group, Facebook group, is the group you want to join. I've been in so many groups and I think it's the best make money online group to this day. My name is Deovon. That's my update on this course, and that's my truthful you know testimony about this course and review on this course. It's the bomb, man, and it's at a good price, and you can go ahead, try one, you know what I mean, and pay. You know, it's real cheap. Try one, and you know, and I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. You're gonna get real results. I've had channels monetized and everything, so this stuff works, man. It really works, and that's the best part. So, all right then. I'll holler at y'all later. Deovon. Thank you.